Hello everyone, I'm Karim Sabag and today I will show you how to deploy vSAN with two hosts. So for this lab I will deploy only 3 VM, two nested ESXi, vSAN 1 and vSAN 2, and the other one is vSAN Witness. So for the configuration, it's no very big configuration. We have only 2 vCPU and 10 gig for RAM, 3 hard disk. The first one is for ESXi installation, the second one is for cache tier, and the third one for capacity tier. What about the network adapters? We have 3. We will see for which traffic is assigned. And for the vSAN witness, it's only a virtual machine available through VMware portal. Once I created all this virtual machine and proceeded to install the ESXi, I have only to add them through my cluster. So you can see both nested ESXi available here and the witness. So what about the nested ESXi? After we add them, we need only to proceed to configure the VM kernel adapters. So as I show you before, we have 3 adapters, and for VM kernels, the first one is about management, the second one for witness traffic, and the third one for vSAN. I configured DHCP automatically by default. So for this one, the management is by default configured. For vSAN, it's also available here. You need only to check the box. But for the second one, so you can note it's not available on the list. You have only to connect to your host through SSH, and you need only to launch this command line, ESXi vSAN network IP add VMK1 witness. So you need also to add this command on the second one. Once it's done, you need only to add your witness host, and when you did it, you can proceed to configure your vSAN cluster. You have to accede to services, turn on vSAN, and you will have a wizard. So you can add 2 hosts, you will add your witness, and so on. Once you did it, you can check your vSAN configuration and health through vSAN health monitors, and make sure all green check is listed. For what about what I can show you? So once I did it, I deployed a virtual machine called Ubuntu. So here you can see the physical object where are based exactly. So for this virtual machine, you can see the configuration is red 1. This is the maximum we can do with 2 hosts. And the components, we have both deployed on the first node and the second one. So I have 2 fault domain, preferred and secondary. For my object, hard disk, swaps, etc., all of them are deployed through my first and second hosts. So I proceeded to launch a ping through this virtual machine. As you can see, it's working fine. So we will see what will happen if I will power off the preferred hosts. So let me make sure we will power off the right machine. So preferred is 71. The virtual machines is running through this virtual IP. virtual IP 71, or this one. So I will proceed to port off the virtual machine and we will see what will happen. So the machine is not responding. As you can see, the ping request is timeout. Let's wait for a moment to see what will happen. So here, as you can see, through the features VMware HA, high availability, the virtual machine now is running through the second fault domain. So you can note my machine is protected through vSAN and through HA is running and everything is fine. So thank you and see you later.